Now let us solve third part of question number 2, exercise 2.3, class 10, NCERT. So write the question. This one is expression xq minus 3x plus 1, and the next expression is x to the power 5 minus 4xq plus x square plus 3x plus 1. You have to check that this expression is factor of the second one. So let us divide. If remainder is 0, then first one is the factor of the second one. So divide it, xq minus 3x plus 1, and this one is x to the power 5 minus 4xq plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us divide. Now what will be the first term of the quotient? How can you find? We divide the first term of dividend by first term of divisor. So let us divide. Maximum in power of the variables x to the power 5. First term is x to the power 5, and here it is x to the power q. So if we divide it, then we will get x square, because q power 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is x square. So let us divide. First term will be x square. Right here x square. Now multiplied x square by this expression, xq into x square. See, xq into x square. When base is same, x, both the base is same, then power should be add. So we write x to the power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, that is equal to x 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So x to the power 5 is your product. So right here x to the power 5. And now this is positive, this is negative. If you here no sign is given, that means this is positive. And positive into negative is negative. So write negative sign. And then 1, there is no number here, coefficient of x. So 1 into 3 is 3. Right here 3. And x square into x. That means x means 1 power and here 2 power. So 1 plus 2, if you multiply it, power should add. 1 plus 2 is 3. So write here xq, x to the power 3. Now plus into plus is plus, and 1 into x square is x square. Completed. Now if you do subtraction, that means all the sign will be changed, because before bracket all the sign must be changed. Here it is plus, so it will be minus. Here it is minus, so it will be plus. Here it is plus, so it will be minus. Now xq minus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5. Both will cancel, because x minus x is 0. X to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 is 0. So it will be 0. And then it will be cancelled. No need to write 0. Okay. This is positive. This is negative. This is positive. Then what you will do? If one is positive and the other is negative, we do subtraction. And from where we subtract? From bigger number, and bigger sign you should have to write. This one is bigger among these two. 4 and 3. 4 is greater. So its sign, you write its sign, great minus. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 1xq. So don't write 1xq. You write xq. xq is 1xq. Okay. Now plus x square minus x square. Both are same like terms. So it will be 0. One is positive, other is negative. So you can cancel it. Now take another term, 3x and plus 1. Now how could you make this term equal? This is xq and this is xq. If you divide it, what you will get? This is minus xq and this is plus xq. If you divide it, you will get minus 1. Minus 1. So second term of the quotient will be minus 1. Minus 1. So multiplied it. First you multiplied sign. Minus into plus is minus. So write here minus. And 1 into xq is xq. Now minus into minus will be plus. And 1 into 3x is 3x. Again minus into plus is minus. And 1 into 1 is 1. Now subtract it as usual. This is minus, so it will be plus. Only second expression sign will change. This one will be same. and this is plus, so it will be minus. Here it is negative 9 minus, so it will be plus. Now x cube minus x cube plus x cube, it will be 0 if sign is changed, so it will be 0. And here it is 3x and 3x, both are same and its sign is different, plus minus, so it will be 0. This is plus 1 and this is plus 1, so we are getting plus plus is plus, 1 plus 1 is 2. If plus sign is there, no number is here, so no need to write plus. This is 2 means plus 2. If it is negative, then we write minus 2. Okay, but here it is 2. Remainder is, what is remainder? Remainder is not 0. Not 0. It is equal to, remainder is not 0. What is remainder? Remainder, it is equal to 2. Okay, so this expression, first expression, is not a factor of the second expression. So write remainder is not 0. So x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not the factor of the second expression. Factor of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. This is not the factor of 0. Factor of this expression, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. If remainder is 0, then this will be factor. If remainder is not 0, then this will not be the factor of the second expression. So it is not the factor. Okay.